you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Toyota Tundra Platinum 4x4. As you can see, the engine compartment is perfectly intact. The vehicle does run and drive. It has some collision damage to the rear. We'll get to that shortly. Let's take a look. Nice white color, which is very rare for a Tundra. And the sunroof. Get the rear bed cover. Damage to the rear bumper, rear tailgate. This bedside looks good. Walk around the other way. Parking distance sensors. The Platinum is the fully loaded model. Excuse the jack. As you can see, the cab is fine, but this is an indicator that there might be a little bit of frame damage somewhere. Framer looks okay, so I don't know if it's bent here or more towards the front. It's hard to tell, but definitely gonna go on a frame machine. Or you could probably fix what's here. I don't think you have to replace the bed at all. Let's take a look inside. Interior is like new, no airbags deployed. Really nice truck. Somebody needs a good work truck. Only 9,000 miles. Nice Platinum logos. Sunroof. 9,200 miles. Navigation. Fully loaded. Anyway, we'll be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.